Got another one on here. What is this? Oh, this looks like a brown. So we got all 3 species so far today, but they're all little brown trout. See ya. Show 'em. Oh, what do we got? Another brown? Browns like the chartreuse, guys. Browns like the chartreuse. Remember that. You guys are out here, browns like the chartreuse. As you saw, we pulled that big one. Oh, we pulled 2 big ones. We were on that the other day. There he is. See ya. No big ones yet today, but it's pretty low and clear out here. I know there's some big ones in here, but they're spooky. I'm just kind of working this seam right here. If you get the drift in here, there's a couple boulders in there, and we're working a seam right inside these boulders. And we're just getting a little extension down through here. It's hard to cast. You guys know where I'm at and know me because of all this brush. Extremely difficult to work anything with this brush. As you know, last year I broke my sage, snapped the tip of my sage launch. That was a 9-month debacle to get that repaired and get that back. And then I purchased this VPS, which was kind of the replacement for that, and never really went back to that, even though I got it back. It's there. You know, one day I might break it out. I'd like to get a nice 10-footer for this, though. But a lot of our takes, and I'm just twitching it a little bit here. And we're getting a lot of our takes on the twitch. And I've gotten, what'd you guys see already on camera this morning? Run this a few more times here and let you know what's going on. Alright guys, we're into another one. This is a better rainbow. Not huge, better. Oh, fighting these guys. There he is. There he is. See, buddy? And there he goes. Alright guys, today we're out. I didn't get an intro on like the first 5 fish, 6 fish. I started up and started fishing, but we're out again today. So far it's been the green squirm, he's been the ticket. We're on a different creek. Those of you who know where I'm at. And we caught a few, nothing big so far, but yeah, we're gonna work it today. It's low and clear, and it's bright and sunny. It's supposed to go up to 60 today, so it's probably gonna be a lot of people around. Well, we'll see how the action pans. I'll keep you posted. Alright folks, we got another one on. Oh, what it is. Still in that, yeah, probably in that 12-inch range. Looks like a rainbow. Rainbow or brown, I'm thinking. That might be a brown. Yeah, it's a decent brown. Decent brown trout. Nice brown. Nice brown trout. Oh, ain't done yet. Ain't done yet, guys. He's probably 14 inches, 15 inches. Kind of girthy. He's a little girthy, though. There he is. Okay, buddy. And there's his foot. Thanks for playing. See ya. Come on the green squirmy. We got probably a brown, I'm betting. God, these guys are ready. Those guys. Oh, 6-inch brownie. On the green. On the green. So it's probably only in the 50s out here. It's supposed to go into the 60s today. It's kind of, we're in this slack, nasty, slow area here. I don't know. Just trying to see if something kicks. Well, at least we got one. So when you're one, there should be some more. If I fix my bird's nest, I'll be in better shape. Yeah, we're just gonna keep kind of working this. A couple of these points down through here, hopefully not drown in the process. Sometimes when you guys come to these places and are heavily pressured as they are, especially with everything that's going on right now, if you're able to come to a place like this, it's real deep over there. Most people are going to fish are going to have a hard time. They got to cast over all kinds of objects. If you're able to, nut up, so to speak, and you don't mind getting in some mud, doing some of this, most people won't. And you can access some of these holes and pockets that get walked by more than they get fished. So these fish may go through periods of time where they're not seeing anything. And if that's the case, then you're able to have a little more success. So it's kind of the way it is. I mean, obviously you can see the roads right here. So we're going to work it for a while. I'll keep you posted, So far we've got one decent brown, nothing crazy. I did see a guy pull about an 18-incher. It was pretty nice on a spinner. But yeah, I'll keep you tuned in. Fish on. Looks like this one's a bow. So yeah, I mean, you never know how this stuff's gonna go, especially with the way they stock, depending on what they're doing. And sometimes you got these places that are known to put big fish, and they just don't. And you got places that aren't known, and they just stick big ones in. So yeah, you never really know. See ya. Another bow. Another bow. My hand's wet. There's all kinds of time up there. Alright, relax, Chief. Yeah. Corner of the mouth, there he is. 3 inches. See ya. Alright. Fish him. Yeah, I'm just going to do a quick release if I can, right? Let's try pink. Okay, alright. See ya. There you go. Let's do a quick swap here to pink. Man, I shut the camera off. I kid you not, on that drift. I picked up this little rainbow here. Yeah, they're just getting smaller. Come on. They're killing me. Now, some of these guys might be actually stocked by Trout Unlimited. Hit me up on the DM. I'll give you some tips. And there's already a million people out here. It's hard to find water as it is, but if you guys want material, I gotta find water. So you gotta caution for that. But I will give you some tips and some information when you shoot me a private message. That's why I try to shoot the clips of catching the fish and just not extending, just extending the film. There he is. Alright, got my camera here. This guy here wants to. This guy's just a little better. He's not huge. I mean, this is what you should be catching right here. Yeah, that's a little bit better one there. That must probably have 13 or 14 inches. And for what we've been catching. At least we got up 12 maybe, 12, 13. Hooks out, fish is here, fish is gone. See ya. Peace. All right, time out. Yeah, we got a little one on here. Well, he might be a little bit better. He's fighting good. He's trying to take me to the trees. Nah, he's still a cookie cutter. He just got some nuts on him. Hey, buddy. Yeah, wish your brothers and sisters were as good as you did. You will. You definitely put some effort into that. I'll give you credit. See ya. Alright, let's check this off. Get this guy on here. This guy on right here. This guy actually took the orange. It's been a while since we got a take after the last time we filmed. That little guy. It looks like most of the big fish they put in here for the most part. So they got back to the drink. And I think we're going to try green again. Fish on. Let's take another rainbow. It'd be another rainbow. Oh, he's got some hops. He's not a bad fish. That's feeling. Probably the best one of the day right there. Definitely the best one of the day. I don't know. Rainbow. Very good. Yeah, I'm not telling. See you, buddy. Alright, guys, we got one on here. Took a little while to get another one. That one took pink. This is fun. He is food. You got this barbless one. The only problem. Good for the fish. Tough for the angler. There you go. Got to fix this. Fish on. It's not bad. Nice to hang it up, but not bad. Not bad fishing. Alright, relax. And I'll take that out for you. See? See you. Probably feel better now. Get all the metal out of you. That didn't take long. Next cast, fish on. Another bow. Decent. You know. Better than what we had been catching. Put it that way. He's like new net. There he is, guys. 13 incher. Not a bad fisher. Yeah. He actually has pretty nice colors. See ya. There he is. Fish on. Oh, this one's hyper. This one's taking me for a little dance. Alright. There he is. Another little rainbow. There, homie. That's easy. Let's see ya. Alright, we got another one on here on the bank. Another rainbow on the bank. Still waiting for one of these big ones. Sure as heck ain't showing up yet. They all dinkies. There he is. There he goes. See ya. Looks over thinking. It was on like Donkey Kong. he's home. Rainbow. Okay. Another cookie cutter on the pink, orange. See you, buddy. Fish on. Found this one down here in the trees. Oh. There you go. Another average rainbow. There he is. There he goes. See you. Fish on. Okay, guys. I took the pink. Come on, settle down, buddy. Whoa, relax. Damn. Come on, super height. Go this way. There you go. Alright, where's the fish? This one's giving me some head shakes. He's active. I don't think he's very big. He's not terrible. He's not huge, but he's not terrible. Fish on, I'll tell you. Fish chrome. He's chromey, ain't he? Yeah. Silver's on him. Here, Chief. There he is, guys. See ya. We got one on. You guys missed the aerial footage. This little chromer gave me a little bit of a show. Well, we were going to take off. Whoa, there she goes. We might give it a little bit longer since there's obviously some fish in here. I just got to look and find them, that's all. High energy on this one here. This one looks like it might have been caught one. There she goes, see ya. I'm going to get on here after a little while. Another little guy. Wormies, buddy. See ya. Fish on. We found one. Since it was wormy. I'm excited here, buddy. See ya. So I mean, we're picking a few up. It's slow down in here, and I'm in an area now that they did not stock. So all these fish that are down here were on fishing downstream. Are all fish that were transplanted downstream. When they put them in the water, there's one. The water was real iced up when they put them in, and then right after that ice up, they were super lethargic. And then right after that ice up, they blew out. So I'm sure some of these didn't have their bearings yet. It was more of a wash. This one a brown one. We might be a brown time, Larry. Yeah, I think we got a brown on pink. That's unusual. I think. I'd like to get a look at them. Yeah, that's a brown. You don't get too many browns on pinks. Wow, we got a jig stuck in him too. Oh, buddy. I'll try to help you out here a little bit. If I can. There we go. keep that jig. I'm sure that'll help you out. People think you're up here fishing for the cohos. See ya. A huge jig stuck in it. That's the second add to the collection here. As soon as I turn the camera off, bang. Get a little dinkster. A little dinkster. Fish on. Oh, and there I was just trailing it upwards, and it just he surprised me a little bit there. That night bite. It's about to be night. I don't know what he is. He's just another cookie cutter rainbow. Yeah, no, he's a brown. It's another brown. Another brownie. Seemed to eat his Wheaties too. This one. This guy ate his Wheaties. Okay. All right. Larry's ready to go. See ya. All right. There we go. Okay. We got one on here that's got a little bit of energy here. This was high energy. Another high energy bow. Okay, I guess he wants to just hang out right here. Yeah, it's brown. Brown trout. No, come over here, buddy. He is, guys. There he goes. See ya. How? I mean, at least we're finding fish. Like I said, definitely ain't finding big fish. We're finding fish. Fish on. That you go, buddy. My hands are wet. All right. Thank you. See ya. There he goes. Figured I'd hit this last couple runs we got here. It's probably about. Actually getting most of our bites right now. Fish probably feel most safest right now. Because they got a little bit of cover of darkness on that bright bluebird sky we had today. We caught a lot of fish with a bluebird sky. It was definitely a bluebird sky. So it's now the next day. Get pretty tired there last night, and we just I just kind of lost track of time. Shoot an outro. Stayed till dark. Fish dark to dark again. Put the numbers up. Size was there, the numbers were there though. Kind of disappointing for a Keystone Select stream. The like max size was maybe 12 inches, and a few of those we caught were few and far between. The majority of the ones we caught were like 8. You know, I mean, I fished other delayed harvests and all over the place that, you know, the actual size of the fish is bigger than what's supposed to be in that Keystone Select. So it's kind of disappointing at the same time. I think we'll be hitting another spot next. So, but yeah, it was pretty smooth and sweet though. We found some fish. There was a ton of people everywhere. The temperatures in the air were beautiful. The water temperatures weren't that good. My neoprene waders developed a leak, so of course they only last me about a year. But we'll be switching into the breathables here shortly. So yeah, the waters were cold. Air temperature was really warm. There's a lot of people out. There's a lot of people out everywhere. So I don't know, I'll keep you posted for wherever we go next time. Hopefully it's a little bit more productive on the size. And I mean, we don't have to catch, I'm not, you know, I don't need to catch 20-inch, you know, 5-pound fish every trip, but I mean, nice to at least catch several, you know, 15, 16-inch fish instead of all 6 to 8 inches. Stay tuned and make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss an upload. And make sure that you hit the notification bell. That way you'll be able to see every video we post. But, yeah, until next time, remember, fishing's life.